Hello. In this video, I am going to teach you how to turn a script, for example, a YouTube script created using ChatGPT, into a PowerPoint print. Something like this, using an online AI tool and having a pretty automated process. So you could do this in maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Let's get started. First step is to copy and paste, or well, maybe to generate, but let's say you have already generated it, copy and paste the script. If ChatGPT gives you something like this window, you can click on this icon here and go to the copy button here, and then the script will be copied to your clipboard. Next, go to this URL Gamma.app and sign up for a free account. Yes, you've heard that correctly. This is free to use, at least for several creations and generations, and if you like it, you can upgrade to a paid version. Also stay tuned until the very end of this video, where I will show you a cool preview of what you can actually turn these slides into, making creating YouTube videos, educational YouTube videos, a really interesting process. But let's focus on how to create these slides here. So go to Gamma.app, you click on Create New AI, and here, since we already have text, which we just copied to our clipboard, we click here on Paste in Text. You go into this field, and then you just paste the entire script. You do not need to edit it into this box. Select Presentation here, and then from the drop-down, instead of default, select traditional, because we want a PowerPoint-like presentation format. Click on Continue here. And then you will get these prompt editors, these cards, as they call it, you can rewrite parts of the script if you want. What I do here is to go on to condense, so that the content will be concise and presentable, on short sentences, because in presentations, usually if you put too much text in, people will be distracted from what the presenter says. With the output language, you can leave it at English or switch to the language of your choice if you need this in a different language. For images, you've got different options. Now, I have used stock photos because I believe that these are really nice quality, from a page called Unsplash, which you may have heard of. In the format, we again want a presentation and a traditional layout. There's nothing to change here. Finally, click on Continue. And here, in this last step, before the presentation is actually generated, you are able to select a theme. Now, I prefer to select themes which are somewhat neutral. So, for example, the basic light theme will be quite neutral. It will have a white background, and I'll share the reason at the end of this video, but feel free to experiment and click. So, for example, dawn would look like this, and choose what you prefer, and then finally click on Generate here. And as you see, away it goes and starts to create a nice presentation, much faster than you probably would do it yourself if you had to start and do it. What I do is also usually I delete this part here. So then we have very nice looking presentation, which is ready to use. And now you can go ahead and actually download it as PDF or as PowerPoint. To do that, click here on the Share button, click on Export. Exporting to PDF, that's what I'm going to show first. So it's going to export the PDF. And then if you click on it, you'll actually see that it has generated a really nice and beautiful PDF with the slides. Only thing is that they are embedding this Made with Gamma button in the lower right corner. which you can disable if you switch into one of the paid modes. The PowerPoint is really similar. You click on Export to PowerPoint, and then you can simply download the PowerPoint. As you see, that's what we get. Interestingly enough, this Made with Gamma button is covered by the images, so it's not in every slide. Note that this is genuinely AI, as you know it. It's a bit similar to ChatGPT in the sense that every time you would run it, you would get a bit of a different result. So for example, here you have this image as a cover image. In this previous run, which I had, the AI chose to use this image. Both presentations are nice, and this is a really great way in order to create value, to be able to create PowerPoint slides, PDF slides very quickly, especially if you do not really need to fine-tune them that much yourself, just to throw something on the wall or create a video. That's what I'm going to show you a preview of next, because that's the little surprise which I promised you. But before I go into that, what do you think? Which types of content would you like to create using this Gamma AI tool? Comment in the comments below, because I'm really curious to know what you guys are going to use these tools, these really powerful and free tools for. And this is what we can actually create, also using another AI tool, fully automatic.
Hey there,
I'll play the first
entrepreneurs and
couple of
AI
seconds for you.
enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we explore how to grow your business with the power of AI. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our tips and strategies to take your business to the next level. Today, we're diving into 5 inspiring startups that have harnessed AI to create incredible value for their customers. Let's see how they did it and what we can learn from their success. First up, we have UI.
If you want to learn how to create these videos, you can actually watch my next video, which I'm going to link. And otherwise, thank you for watching till the end, and have a great day.